Hey, it's Elias, and I'm just going to show you real quick how to use the Epson ES-400 scanner that I have. First thing to consider with your Epson scanner, you're going to want to go into your scan settings, and over here you will see that there is a there we go. You'll see that there's this resolution right here. If your file is too big, you might want to change that to 75 dpi. I'm currently scanning at 200 and I'm having no problems, but if your file is too big, you can change that and the file gets smaller when you scan it. Next thing to do is to upload the documents to the scanner. You're going to want to make sure that you extend this out as much as possible, so when your legal paper hits, it doesn't crumple in there. You're going to now you're going to load these documents into the scanner. The lettering right here goes upside down, so you put it right there. Make sure it's in between the tabs. This would be easier if I had two hands, but I'm filming with one, so give me a second. And there. Make sure it's behind these two tabs right there. Now that your documents are uploaded, click the blue button. And it all starts up here right there. Now click next. You're gonna want to click the save button. Change this to like Bob, so something recognizable, so it's easy to see. You'll choose the folder where you're saving it to. Just click browse and then you'll see where you want to save it to. Click save. Now the file is there, and you can just attach it to your email.